looking for pass or cutters and cutters. Ito lang talaga yung mga problema ng mga cutters sa Frisla is just they don't continue on their cuts. Puputulin na nila bigla on their push. So medyo mahirapan talaga si Frisla to forward the disc. So usually si handlers rule talaga ang rule talaga ni handlers is to create a forward or yardage. So may konting contact.
Uncontested call, back to 0 count.
Yes.
We have Frisla backing up from their end zone.
Yes.
They are yet to gain a yardage here.
It's an indicator na solid din talaga yung defense ni off grid. And there's a fake. So si D tumulong na sa handler side for them to create an opening for the cutters.
And still again, no, they're trying to get into the middle of the
So it was saved
field.
by D pa rin yung throw ni Piolox. And Piolox made a long and a block, almost saved by Tapia, but still a block by, if I'm not mistaken, she's the number 8.
Is that HG?
Yes, it's HG. Ayan.
HG all the way from Iloilo City. Can we see that block from the long throw by Piolox into the end zone was read perfectly by HG and then intercepted it before it got connected and turned into a score by Frisla. Kaya naman, maraming salamat kay HG.
And there's a long.
Paglong si JP into the end zone for
and a block
by Wyatt for Frisla.
So is that Wyatt? So Chester is giving a command on their other handlers. Medyo risky yung tapo ni Chester na yon. Medyo may konting paagaw and bad throw by JJ to Jules. So Dan recovers the disc. Goes to number 23 and HG. Medyo may konting karambula sa defense ng Frisla ngayon. So, Piolox guarding Dan. Number 23 guarded by Wyatt and pass to Dan Avena. So, ayun na.
Pitch updates mga kaplata! Yan! With only 6 minutes left on all pitches.
Hala! 6 minutes na pala on the clock. Ang bilis!
So, medyo may kabilisan din talaga yung oras. Hindi na lang natin namamalaya na...
We are already enjoying ourselves.
Yes.
Watching the game is a spirit stoppage.
Spirit stoppage.
As signified by our game advisors.
Ayun, medyo...
No call, no foul. So, game will go on.
Medyo lumuag yung nut ni Piolox. Benji handling the disc and looking for a pass. And a throw. Grab. And still, what happened?
There is
another bid.
Potential foul in the end zone. The first one, actually. The first potential foul for the end zone. We have...
So, yung nadaganan si Wyatt, while yung nagbid is...
Si Dan Avena.
Ay, it's Dan. Alright? So, Dan Avena.
Dan
so,
captured
si Wyatt,
the disc in the air, not knowing that Wyatt was already underneath her. Kaya
Yes.
naman when Dan landed...
So, nadaganan si Wyatt. Ayun. So, medyo crucial talaga yung play na to, no? Pero I know they discuss it and I don't know what will be happen. So, it's a turnover.
Another spirit stoppage muna.
Spirit stoppage.
Hindi naman tayo forever malakas eh. Pero forever tayo susupport sa Frisbee.
Forever young. Hashtag forever young.
Ayan, it's a
And
good,
what a
it's
nice
a good break.
pass. And on rejection
And-
from Lure.
No?
So,
Pero magandang flow yun, no? Maganda yung flow na ginawa ng Bruff.
okay. So there's a little discussion.
Kung saan
Lure to
mag-start.
Amay.
Start.
Yes.
Amay
Amay. Looking for a pass.
to
D.
D. Wala.
To fake to Waki. Back to Amay. Amay. Looking for a pass. To
Ashley.
Ashley. Back to Lure. In all fair kay Aki, no,